Stop now, assassin! Ah! Kill him! Kill his assassino! Ah! 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 Try me now, assassin! Ah! Ah! Hey! Ah! Ah! Hey, I will go to the door. I will meet you. I have to find a way in. Ah! Look there! On him! Ah! Please don't. Ah! Now, Altair's way. Yeah. A key. Maybe that's for the tunnel. Ah. My followers, go! An assassin has been sighted here. Yes, Master Romulus. Say a word and I cut his throat. Haha, assassin, a word. Oh look, it's our little assassin. Your rule ends here, Romulus. No, Assassino, no, your life is here. If that's a challenge, I accept. Good, assassin, because I want to kill you. Bring it on, I'm not scared. Ah! How did I lose? I don't know, maybe I'm just that good. Now, for Brutus' armor. Treasure and a key? Merda, I thought that I had it. Ah! Assassino, get him! Don't let him escape! Yeah! Oh! Nice try. Oh! Oh! Stop there! Oh!